Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Good morning, hope you guys are doing fine. Hope you guys are all doing great. So for today's video, we are going to the biggest water park in Canada called Calypso Water Park. And if you are not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, slap the subscribe button and click the notification bell for more videos. What are you guys waiting for? Let's go. Let's do this. So we're finally here, guys, and we have to pay the parking. Hi.
So it comes to $10.
Thank you. You know.
Been a long time, Calypso.
Cheers! Natakot sila, guys. They're scared. Cheers! No reaction. Zoom around. Okay? Yeah. Oh shit! Good? Yeah, I think so. No reaction, guys. No reaction. High five. Thanks, huh? You too. Cheers! No reaction video. Look at the line, guys. We waited here for 30 minutes. Jeez! Look at this, guys. We're finally on the top. Look how high is it. Jeez, man. This is the highest slide that they have here, so it's gonna be worth it. We waited 30 minutes down there, but for sure it's gonna be worth it. Let's do this. Look at the view down there, guys. Oh. Bye. Cheers! Huwag ka na sisigaw. Oh, it's suabe, guys. Cheers! Woo! Cheers! Vamos!
wish I could have made it stop. The first time that you stood me up, I wasn't ready. Yeah, never ready. Like a forbidden fruit.
Tumumpa pare. Pare tumumpa. Sabad. Bienvenue, pirate.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for.
We tried some of the slides here, guys, in Calypso, and it was so nice, it was so good. And if you are planning to come here, if you are from Montreal, it is 1 hour and 15 minutes drive away. And if you are from Toronto, Ontario, it's gonna be 3 hours drive away. But if you are from Ottawa, it's gonna be 30 to 20 minutes drive away. So once you arrive here, you can find your spot under the trees or outside right over there, and just beside the, you can find spot beside the wavy pool, and you can just stay here for I think 7 to 8 hours. And if you are planning to come here, be here early. If you are from Montreal, come here around 7:30 so that you can just arrive here around 9:40 and show your ticket in front, and you can just come in. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.
Let's figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling.
So that's it for today's video, guys. We enjoy it, and it's definitely worth it, and hopefully we can come back in 2 weeks we missed a lot of rides is because there was a huge line. There's a lot of people and the waiting hours are 30 to 40 minutes, but it's definitely worth it, guys. So when you are planning to go out with your family, with your friends, Calypso is the best. And that's it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, guys. See you on the next vlog. Peace. Cheers.